guys, welcome back over to the channel. In today's video I am, oh my god, it's hard to film outside. I've tried this intro like 50 million times, but we got this. Welcome over to the channel. In today's video I'm actually bringing you guys something super special because I want to show you guys what some of the great places to stay in Gambia are, because I know a lot of you guys do have questions. Don't worry, I got you. I show you my flight, I show you what I eat, and I also show you where I like to stay and what I would recommend for you guys, especially if you're in the process of actually traveling to Gambia, West Africa, or if you probably don't know what just to do when you come to Africa or what countries to visit. Gambia is the spot. But guess what, if you're here are some of the places that you guys should look at in staying in a long time, short time, or probably actually buying to own. Okay, if you're not subscribed to the channel, make sure you're subscribed to my channel. Make sure you hit on your post notification bell so you don't miss a video, and don't also forget to give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment down in the comment section below. Let me know which one of these are your favorites. Okay, and are you looking to stay in Gambia long term or short term? Let's have a conversation down in the comment section. I love you for watching and stay tuned. Alright you guys, so before we get started, I want to introduce you guys to Jilan, who is actually going to give us this tour. And Jilan actually is with Global Properties, which is one of the household names in Gambia and one of the most trustworthy companies that you probably want to deal with when you're coming here to stay long term or short term. Okay, say hi Jilan. Hi. She's so pretty. I love her. Her customer service skills, guys, is amazing. Hey, okay, you know I tell you guys the facts. Okay,
Today we're at the apartments at Aqua View, which is in Vigilo, right next to the Coco Ocean Hotel, and just a minute walk down to the beach. We have a 2-bedroom apartment that we'll show you, which is already furnished and ready to be occupied as a tenant. We also have investment opportunities here at Aqua View, so you can actually buy and rent it out. So it should be ready in the next couple of months. So hopefully by April, May, we'll be ready with the development, so that you can actually have the rentals ongoing. So this is the living room area here, and then you have an open plan concept. So here you have the kitchen area. It is coupled with a dining set, and you also have an outside area here where you can actually have your washing machine outside and a little tap outside as well. So here we just have a sample. Normally you would have the oven right here. Then also the fridge is actually going to be built in, so that you can have that free space here. So you have a built-in fridge, and sample here to show you what the fridge looks like. And then you have the extractor here to make sure that all of the smell actually goes out instead of staying in the room when you're cooking something. And you have your sink and pretty much enough storage space so that you can keep all of your things you need for your kitchen. So the outside area here, you have your washing machine and a small tap here. Then up here, you have the water heater to supply the hot water for the bathrooms as well.
so there's hot water system in all the bathrooms.
Yeah,
awesome.
the bathrooms. Yeah. Next we go to the bedroom. This is a 2-bedroom apartment and 2 bathrooms. The first bedroom is here. You can come in. Here we have a wardrobe. This is a full-size bed. Then you have air conditioning units in all the bedrooms. Now the nice thing about here, you also have a fan. So if you don't want to put on the AC, you can use it as an option to have the fan on. Maybe if it is a little bit too cool outside, since it's so close to the beach.
So quick question. So are people actually allowed to change the paintings, or is it like they have to all have the same painting
No, they can
inside?
change the painting inside. So
okay.
any color that they want.
Oh, okay. Nice.
That matches the decor that they're doing.
Okay.
We also do decorations as well and furniture stuff.
What don't they do?
Nothing. So this is the first toilet here. It's a full bathroom with the sink, toilet and shower. So this is where the guests can use actually when they need to have access to the toilet. And also the first bedroom can use this one as well.
So this is a guest bathroom.
Guest bathroom.
Okay.
Then you have the master bedroom here. Now this wall would be the TV wall. This is a king size bed. Also has a balcony, by the way. We're here at the balcony, so you have a nice sit out area here, just to catch the cool breeze when it gets really hot.
How close is this to the beach?
Literally just a hop, skip and jump right down. Less than a minute, honestly, walking down to the beach. It's
Nice.
just right down here. You can see it right down there. So right behind you, we have the bathroom. Also a full bath.
Nice. So this one is not shared like the other one.
No, not yet. But it's quite secure. There's a pool, there's a supermarket as well. There's a restaurant, there's a gaming room, there's a gym. So we have it all in underground parking as well here. So
Damn.
Gambia. The nice thing about Coland is right in front of the beach, so there's nothing obstructing your view to the sea. And here we have 1 bedroom, 2 and studio apartments as well available for sale. But in turn, in the next couple of months, they'll be ready for rentals as well. So people can actually start renting these units as well once it's completely done and ready to go.
So when is this place gonna be done? What's the projection?
By summer of this year, hopefully. We're in the finishing stages, but hopefully towards the end of summer this year, maybe around September, October.
So what can you tell us about all the amenities in the property?
So right behind you we have a pool, which is a common pool shared. There's a gate, there's a pathway, a walkway to the beach. There's also going to be an on-site restaurant here, where you can sit out here. There's also going to be a gym. There's a reception area as well in the entrance. Also parking is inclusive of the development as well. So there's a parking lot that's there as well. So all across the board you can actually be here and be comfortable, have a place to eat, swim, have fun, relax. It's all in one. And also get to enjoy the beautiful beach as well.
So can one use the apartment as an investment property, like use it as an Airbnb property, or that's not allowed?
Yes, most definitely. So most people that are actually buying here are using it for rental. So they're gonna buy it maybe when they come on holiday. Like when you have one, you come on holiday, when you're not here, then you can rent it out. So yeah.
So it's like a win-win situation.
Yes, definitely. Yeah.
And the location is amazing because it's like in a prime location, like right inside Senegal.
Yep.
Like for me, that's like mind blowing. I'm like, because it's crazy. Like if you go anywhere else in the West, like most places, like in Las Vegas, which is a hot city, you are not allowed to have Airbnb because the hotels are there. But here, you can have your vacation home, your investment property on the beach. Can you beat that? No, ma'am. Yes, I love it out here. Today?
So we're at Forest View.
Forest View.
It's in Gambia. We have 1 bedroom and 2 bedroom options.
Oh, by the way, if you don't know where Gambia is, this is the lit spot. This is where you want to be, okay? This is the place.
Alright. So it's in Gambia. We have 1 and 2 bedroom options available here for rent. You can do short-term land rental or long-term rental. It really depends on what you're looking for. We have furnished, we have unfurnished. So it just really depends on what you're looking for. But everything is available in terms of rentals here.
I love it. Is it like on Airbnb, or do you have to like contact you guys directly?
So they both, it depends on who's listing it, because you have owners that are actually listing on Airbnb, while you have some owners that actually register with the management company downstairs. So the advantage of the downstairs company, the management company downstairs, is when you have walk-ins. As soon as they come in, then they can show them the apartments that are available, and instantly they can have a rental on the spot. So yeah.
You like this, okay? So I'm gonna give you guys a quick apartment tour of the Forest View apartments, and Gina is gonna help me show you guys this because she knows more about it. So we're in the living room area right now. This is the living room area, and it's actually an open concept, just like an American system house, which I actually love. I hate like having that closed up kitchen thing. The couch is actually pretty big, as you can see. It fits a big couch that can fit like a whole bunch of people. TV area, super nice, and you have a balcony. I'll show you guys the balcony. And here's the balcony area. It has like a really nice balcony size area, very quiet.
Catering, you can cook, do whatever you want here, do your laundry, the fridge is here, the oven.
I realized that you guys have more of like a British system of having laundry machines inside the kitchen area.
Yep. It's very common here because we don't have an isolated washing machine dryer area. So sometimes it's already built into the kitchen. With a plumbing system and all. Yeah.
The kitchen is a nice size kitchen too.
Cook around here and feel comfortable.
Yes.
There's an extractor, so make sure that the smell doesn't stay in the room and get all congested.
Oh, right here. Yes, I love that. Lots of cabinet space, you guys. This is perfect. I mean, if you're here for a short time, like, why not?
Very comfortable.
Yeah, I can cook in here for sure. So this is the first cabinet. This is the first bedroom, not cabinet. Cabinet, like Gambia. So this is the first bedroom. Very nice sized bedroom. And you also have a closet space right there. By the way, every room, is it every room? Oh yeah, every room has an AC system, because you know it's hot over here, okay? I need AC or else I can't survive. This, so you have a queen size bed here, a closet wardrobe, they say. English people say wardrobe, we say closet. And this is a vanity area also, so you can sit down and actually do your makeup. You know I need to do my makeup, so. And then here is the master bedroom, which is my bedroom. Very nice, big size, king size bed. Wardrobe, let me say wardrobe too. Wardrobe, aka closet, okay? And also a vanity, which is nice. And over here, you actually have access to the bathroom, because remember, this is the master bathroom, okay? Oh, very nice. I love the mirror. Okay. How fancy is this? Oops. Here is the overview of the bathroom, and this is just the first part of the bathroom. And over here, you have the toilet. Well, we do number 2. Privately done. So it's actually nice because if someone is using the sink area, you could do your do right here. Okay, and then you also have a separate shower system right there. I actually love the shower in here. I love the floors. Let me put the light up so you guys can see. I love the floors because it almost kind of feels like you're outside, which is nice. I am 6 foot, you guys, and look at this. The shower is so big, so wide, and 2 people can fit in here. Don't ask me what you're doing.